in the program chairperson of the School of Hospitality Management. Please help me welcome Ma'am J.R. Salua.
Mugani ako i-record ako i-bigyan. Tagaan ka kung 10%.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are delighted to welcome a guest speaker, a distinguished multidisciplinary expert to speak with us. He was born on October 2, 1991. He finishes his elementary grade at Shokon Central School with honors from June 1998 to March 2008. Attended his secondary at Julian Soriano Comprehensive High School from June 2004 to March 2008 as a second honorable mention. He took a Bachelor of Science in Accountancy at St. Vincent College as an academic scholar from June 2008 to March 2013. He continued his studies at Ateneo de Zamboanga for his master's degree, taking up a master's in business administration as a child scholar from August 2016 and graduated in March 2018. He started as one of the emergency laborers in a job order status in the auditor's office here at JRMSU Shokon campus from July 12, 2003 to February 23, 2014. He was later promoted as Administrative Aide 3 and designated as Budget Officer from February 24, 2014 to May 21, 2017. He continued as a designated Budget Officer and at the same time a part-time instructor from first semester of school year 2014-2015, the first semester of school year 2016 to 2017. Later on, he is officially an Instructor 1. At the same time, the Campus Budget Officer from May 22, 2017 to April 28, 2024. At present, he is an Instructor 2 and a unit head in the Income Generating Project or the IGP here at JRMSU Shokon campus last April 29, 2024. Our speaker holds affiliations with various organizations. He is an auditor of the Graduating Students Association, batch 2007-2008, graduates of Julian Soriano Memorial Comprehensive High School. A member of the National Federation of Junior Philippine Institute of Accountants from 2012 to 2013. He has been a treasurer in a faculty and staff association at JRMSU Shokon campus from 2017 to present. An auditor of the Graduate Students Academic Organizations in Ateneo de Zamboanga University from 2017 to 2018. A senior member of the Royal Institute of Business Administration of the Royal Institution Singapore from October 8, 2018 to December 31, 2018. A member of the ASEAN Association of Interdisciplinary Research Incorporated, Perbanas, Surabaya, Indonesia. A member of the People Managers Association of the State Universities and Colleges Incorporated from September 1, 2022 to present. Our speaker also attended a lot of trainings and seminars. So far, he has attended 59 trainings and seminars from 2014 to 2024. So this is a lot to mention, but for the latest, he attended the Phase 1 to 3 on the capacity building on university research, future thinking, and foresight for JRMSU sponsored by the Philippine Future Thinking Society and Activity Development Innovations and Incorporated last March 13 to 15 for the Phase 1, March 16 to April 16 for the Phase 2, and April 17 to 19, 2024 for the Phase 3. Our speaker is not only a respected in academic, but also a captivating speaker and extension services, for example, or for the following. Just and got talent during the SOA, CIT, and SOHM Skills Olympics here at Jeremy Shokan Campus last May 2, 2024. He is also a judge for Miss University 2023 at Shokan Cultural and Exhibition Center. A tabulator for Mr. and Miss University Shokan Campus 2023. He is also an ISO internal auditor from October 24 to 26, 2023. He is also invited as judge for the Mr. and Miss Super Set 2023. A response speaker in the job entry skills last June 30, 2023. A speaker during the orientation for the newly hired part-time instructors at JR Mission Shokan Campus last October 21, 2022. A research speaker during the I3 Proficiency Training Personality Development for the College of Computer Studies last June 30 to July 1, 2022. A speaker during the Budget and Finance Orientation on Republic Act 6713, known as the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees last October 14, 2020. He is also one of the task force leader in the accreditation survey visit for BS Agriculture and BS HRM last April 30, 2021. He is also one of the judges in the Binibining Yutuban 2019. And also a resource speaker during the on-the-job training orientation for BS Computer Science last February 19, 2008. He is also a judge in essay writing and extemporaneous speech contest during the Science Month celebration last September 28, 2017. He is also invited as judge during the Mr. and Miss CIT 2016. A guest speaker during the 50th recognition program of the Julian Soriano Memorial Comprehensive High School last March 2016. A guest speaker of the school year 2014-2015 closing ceremony at Maliput Elementary School. A guest speaker during Buwana Wika 2014 here at Jeremy Shoes Shokan Campus. Aside from all the things I have mentioned, he has achieved a certificate of eligibility from the Civil Service Commission for passing the career service sub-professional level held at Zamboanga del Norte National High School Annex, Dipolog City last May 27, 2012. Then later on, he received another certificate of eligibility from the Civil Service Commission for passing the Career Service Professional Level competitive examination held at St. Vincent College, Dipolog City last May 3, 2015. He acquired a National Certificate or NC3 in bookkeeping for having completed the competency requirements under the Philippine Civil Qualification and Certification System in the different units of competency. On May 26, 2015, he also completed his Trainer Methodology Certificate 1 under the Philippine Civil Trainers Qualification System last September 26, 2017. Our speaker is single. He likes singing, dancing, broadcasting, and he is a computer literate. He believes that the best way for both institutions and the individual to thrive in and accelerate development is when the overall institutional objectives take cognizance and are in harmony with the individual's objectives for professional growth and development. His professional objectives is to excel in the accounting profession, leadership, education and training, corporate policy and communications, utilizing and enhancing multidisciplinary skills and technical know-how to further achieve institutional objectives. He is a highly motivated person, creative communicator, and organizational and policy development individual who utilizes multidisciplinary knowledge and personal skills to provide effective and innovative organizational solutions to further achieve overall goals and objectives. He possesses a deep commitment to fostering synergy between professional and institutional growth. I am confident that our speakers' insights will be both informative and inspiring. I have a feeling we are all in for a thought-provoking and engaging presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in a warm welcome for our guest speaker, Mr. Adrian Fritz Vigo.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for narrating my life. Ang wala dito ako ang love life na. Thank you very much, Ma'am Jayan, for that kind introduction. Very comprehensive. So, kamalun mo tanan sa ako sa akong mga naging for 10 years in JRMC. Now, I've been